Hello everyone, I hope that you all are fit and fine, and let me tell you that I am completely fine as well. Finally, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, that is the ICAI, has announced the new scheme, that is the new syllabus for CA course from 2023 onwards. Okay, and the exams will start from 2024 onwards. So let us discuss what the announcement says in detail. But before that, my humble request to you once again is to please subscribe this channel, because from now onwards you will find updates related to CA Foundation, CA Intermediate as well as CA Final in this channel from my side. Okay, so now let us start with the announcement. So first and foremost, this is the announcement screen in front of you. So what does ICI tell in this announcement? Let us see one by one, and what does the point implement, that also we will try to understand. Okay, so firstly, the ICAI has formulated the new scheme of education and training with international education standards and national education policy. This we knew already. The new scheme of training has been notified in the Gazette of India on the 22nd of June 2023. So, in the Gazette of India also, the new scheme of education has been notified. That Gazette link also I will give it in the description box below. If you want to further read the notification in the Gazette, you can open the description and see. Okay, and this will come into effect from 1st of July 2023. So, new scheme will be implemented from 1st of July 2023. Okay. So, new scheme of education and training is available at a glance at this particular link. This also we are going to discuss in this video itself. Okay, so stay tuned and watch till the very end. Fine. Now, so first and foremost, Institute has given important dates for the implementation of the new scheme. First and foremost, the last date for registration in the foundation under existing scheme is 1st of July 2023. Hence, for December 2023 examination, if you want to appear in CA foundation examination, then you have to register on or before 1st of July 2023. That is, from 2nd of July onwards, you cannot register for December examination. Fine. Next, the last date of registration in the intermediate and final course under existing scheme is 30th June 2023. So, until 30th June, if you are registering for CA intermediate, you will be under the old scheme. But however, when the conversion date comes, you will automatically be converted to new scheme. Only for some aspects like articleship, etc., you might be under old scheme. That also we are going to discuss now. Okay. Now, date of commencement of registration and conversion in the foundation under new course. So, in the new scheme for CA foundation, the registration will start from 2nd of August 2023. And when will be the first foundation examination, sir? In the new scheme, it will be in June 2024, the first foundation examination under the new scheme. Next, date of commencement of registration and conversion in intermediate and final course under new scheme will be from 1st of July onwards. That is, from 1st of July, if you are registering with ICI, you will be registered under the new scheme. Okay, that is the new syllabus. Then, first intermediate and final examination under new scheme will be May 2024. So, May 2024 will be the first attempt in which the new scheme will be tested. Next, very important Kana, last foundation examination under the existing scheme will be December 2023, and last intermediate and final examination under existing scheme will be November 2023. So after November 2023, no examination under existing scheme will be tested for the students. So whether you have registered before or you have registered after, you have to compulsorily write the examination under the new scheme only. Okay. Hence, this clears the point that I told you in the previous video, that there is no parallel attempt. So, new scheme and old scheme side by side will not be tested in the examination. Even in November 2023, if you are writing the old syllabus, compulsorily for May 24, you have to learn according to the new syllabus and write in the new syllabus. So, if you are attending the examination in November 2023, give your 100%, okay, so that you clear the entire group, or if possible, both the groups, so that you don't have any headache at all of relearning a few things. Okay, next. Last date of commencement of, this is also very important Kana, last date of commencement of 3 years practical training is 30th June 2023. Hence, if you put your articleship deed or you register your articles in the SSP portal till 30th June, then your articleship will be for 3 years. Okay, and now articleship is called what? Practical training. Okay, so practical training will be for 3 years. However, if you are registering your articleship from 1st of July 2023 onwards, then the practical training is will be for 2 years only. However, see here, it is written 2 years uninterrupted practical training. Hence, if you want to join practical training from 1st of July onwards, it should be uninterrupted. Uninterrupted means what? That you will not be allowed to write intermediate exam in between practical training. So 1st July onwards, if you are clearing CA intermediate only, you will be allowed to join the articleship or practical training. Hence, if you have not cleared the intermediate examination, if you are a direct entry route student, or you have cleared only a single group, and if you want to join articleship now itself, then join articleship before 30th of June. If you are not joining within 30th of June, then you have to complete the next group also, and after that you can join articleship. But the advantage is that the new articleship will only be for 2 years instead of 3 years. Fine. So these are all the dates. Now many confusions might arise in the mind of students. Sir, what about my earlier exemptions? Sir, I have passed in a single group, but the group subjects itself are changed in the new scheme. So whether the passing marks will get carried forward or not, all and many more questions will arise in the minds of the students. So for that, the new syllabus in detail, the transition scheme, that is from old to new, how the existing students will be converted, and all the frequently asked questions will be answered by ICAI on 1st of July 2023. So for that, you have to wait till 1st of July. And if you have any question in your mind, you please surely let me know in the comment section below. If you see in my previous video also, n number of comments I have gotten from students, and almost every comment I have replied. So whatever comment you put, whatever knowledge I am having, with the help of that knowledge, I will try to reply to your comment and answer to your query. If I'm not having knowledge, I will try to gather the knowledge, and in the next video, I will surely come with new updates. Okay, so stay subscribed also. Now let us talk about this link. Okay, in this link, what is given, Karna? Education and training at a glance. So the new scheme at a glance is given in the form of a flow chart by ICAI. Let us see this flow chart. So two types of students, no, foundation route students and direct entry route students. So in foundation route, you will be able to register with the CA Institute for Foundation after your passing class 10 examination itself. So after passing class 10 examination, you can register with your institute, and from then onwards your study period will start. Okay, so as soon as you complete 4 months of study period, you are eligible to write in the foundation examination. However, you have to clear your 12th exams also. Hence, after 10th standard, you join the foundation course, and after 12th examination, immediately the next foundation course that is coming, that you can appear. Okay, so pass class 12 and write the foundation examination. So that is the foundation route. Now let us talk about the direct entry route. Direct entry, that is without passing the foundation examination, who and all can directly enter the CA course we are going to see now. Number one, commerce graduate or postgraduate with at least 55 percentage marks, okay, in their graduation. Or if they are other than commerce graduate, they have to have at least 60 percentage marks in their graduation. Only then they can enter the CA course. Then if a person has passed intermediate level examination of Institute of Cost Accountants of India, that is CMA examination, or Institute of Company Secretary of India, that is executive level of CS examination, if you have passed, then also you can directly enter the CA course without passing the foundation. Next, undergraduate, postgraduate in the last year of their graduation or post graduation. See, this also I had told you in the previous video itself, and that has come true. That is, now you can register for the CA course in your last year of graduation also. Okay, here what have they given an additional point? On submission of final year graduation or post graduation mark sheet with prescribed minimum marks, the provisional registration will get confirmed. So what does ICAI say? So in the last year, no, now of your graduation, you can register with ICA, that is the CA Institute for Intermediate Examination. Then what will happen? You can start your study period. Fine. Then you will be granted a provisional registration. Then when this provisional registration will get confirmed registration, it will get confirmed when you score at least 55% marks or 60% marks, as the case may be. Fine. This provisional will become confirmed. Okay. So these are the three ways by which you can join the direct entry scheme. So after direct entry scheme, what will happen? You have to register for intermediate course, CA intermediate. In CA intermediate, it is compulsory to have a study period of at least 8 months. At least 8 months. So one advantage given to direct entry is that when they join in the last year of their graduation, their 8 months of study period will start then itself. Fine. So as soon as your college is complete, you will be eligible to write the CA intermediate examination. Fine. Then you have to, after the 8 month study period, you have to write the intermediate exams only after passing both the groups. Only after passing both the groups, you can register for practical training, 2 year practical training. And that also, before the practical training, you have to compulsorily complete the ICAI TSS, that is Integrated Course on Information Technology and Soft Skill Training. So this training you have to complete. So first pass both groups of intermediate, then complete the training, that is the soft skill, information technology and soft skill training, and then join practical training. This practical training will be for 2 years, correct? So commence the 2 year practical training. And in between the practical training, you will be eligible to complete and qualify self-paced online modules. So a portal will be given to you. In that portal, you have to complete the self-paced online module. You have to give the test and you have to pass those subjects. Okay. All the details and syllabus of the self-paced module also is going to come on 1st of July. As soon as it comes, I will surely update you on this channel. Fine. Then you should complete 2 years of practical training. After completing 2 years of practical training only, you will be eligible to attend the advanced ICI TSS. Advanced ICI TSS, that is Advanced Information Technology and Soft Skill Training. And you have to wait for at least 6 months after the practical training is completed. So after finishing your practical training, you have to wait for 6 months. In this 6 months, you have to study for CA final also, and you have to attend the advanced ICI TSS also. After completing that, you will be eligible to write in CA final examination. Okay, CA final examination. However, if you are not able to clear CA final, you can apply for M business accounting associate certificate to the institute, and you will be granted that certificate. But if you obviously clear the CA final examination, both the groups, you will be eligible to apply for membership with ICAI and become a chartered accountant. Okay, so this is the flow chart given by ICAI for the new scheme. Okay, so these are the facts that have been brought till now by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. I know you will have more questions in your mind. Do let me know those questions in the comment section below. I will note down the questions, and in the next video, I will try to resolve. And if at all I am having the answers, I will reply then and there itself. So, surely comment on this channel whatever you felt about this video. See you in the next one, dear, with more such updates. So, till then, take care. Bye bye.